Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need to verify capability first. Open your phone settings and confirm 5 GHz Wi-Fi is listed. If not, the radio may be 4G only and cannot connect. Once done, log into the router and enable a distinct 5 GHz SSID so you can choose between bands. Make sure the router firmware is current and write down the SSID and password. These steps prevent confusion and let you move to pairing without trial and error. Now focus on the actual connection. Go to Wi-Fi, choose the 5 GHz SSID you created, and enter the password carefully, case matters. If the SSID is hidden, use Add Network, type the SSID, choose WPA2/WPA3, and enter credentials. If your phone cannot see 5 GHz, switch the router channel to a standard 5 GHz range, 3648, or 1. Finish by confirming your phone received an IP address and can reach websites. Open a browser and load a page. If it fails, restart both the router and your phone, then toggle Wi-Fi. This often clears temporary issues. If your phone still cannot join 5 GHz, it likely lacks the required radio. In that case, use a Wi-Fi USB adapter for compatible devices or plan a phone upgrade. Troubleshooting tip: check router security, set to WPA2 if older phones struggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.